you guys. I did have a package on the front, and the package is from Temu. So of course I want to show you guys what I got. This is my first time receiving anything from Temu. No, this is not sponsored by Temu, but of course I do have a code, and if you guys use my code, I will receive a small commission, and you guys will also receive a discount when you check out. So we'll be helping out each other. So let me go ahead and get these open so I can show you guys what I got. I am so excited for this because I have a project I'm about to do this weekend. They do come in these like really thick Temu bags. So the first thing I got is this sign, and it says coffee bar, love is brewing. It looks like this. It's just brown and it's wooden. So these are some labels. So you have labels for tea, flour, sugar, coffee. This is a meat chopper. I've always seen one of these and wanted to get one of these, so I finally got one from Temu. And this little thing right here is a pan scraper. So you guys know when you cook your food and you don't wash your pan right away, the stuff can be like pretty hard and to get out of there. So yeah, this is just a little pan scraper. So I thought this was like a little unique little tool I wanted to try out. So I also got this pack of gold spoons. It's a 4-pack of the coffee stirrers. Like I said, you got 4 in a pack. And then this, you guys, I am really excited about. I know what it is because it's in the box. These are the glass coffee syrup containers, and I got the glass bottles with the gold tops, and they also come with the labels. So the labels are hazelnut, English toffee, coffee pods, peppermint, espresso, coffee, cinnamon, French vanilla, and vanilla. And then in this box, acrylic and gold tray. And these are the handles. And this is the tray. So yeah, if you guys don't see where I'm going with this, I'm actually about to do a little coffee bar in my kitchen. So Temu came through with the goods. So I'm going to leave everything linked in the description box down below that I got, you guys, if you're interested. Also, along with my code, it's also going to be across the screen. Place your order with Temu, you guys. Use my code and save you some coin.